PyCharm software download and install செய்வது எப்படி என்று பார்க்கலாம்.
Open the web browser.
Type download PyCharm Community Edition.
Click on the website. PyCharm Professional is paid software. We're here to download the free edition. So, scroll down this web page. Here is the PyCharm Community Edition software download page. Click on the download. Software setup file is starting to download. Once done, go to the downloaded directory.
தற்போது install செய்வது எப்படி என்று பார்க்கலாம்.
Double-click on PyCharm software setup file. Click on Next. Here we can see the software installation path. Click on Next. Click on Required tick box and click Next. Click on Install. Now the installation has been started. Once it's completed, click on Finish. We have successfully installed the PyCharm Community version the 4th of March 2024. Now can open and start to use the software.